Welcome, friends. Thank you for stopping by today. I do appreciate it a lot. You guys are awesome. We live in crazy times, don't we? Jeepers. But Amazon comes through no matter what. I got a box here that weighs a lot. Can I just be honest with you? It kind of bothers me a little bit. We are such an interdependent world anymore, but I couldn't help it. I've got an outdoor grill that needed new grills, and so I went to Amazon, found the ones that would fit, and purchased it. I want to show you what I'm doing here. The story behind this is this grill. Well, let me go back in time. We had a really nice grill when we lived at the other house. And for some reason that I still can't figure out today, I left it at the old house. I didn't pack it and bring it with me. I guess I was figuring when I got here, I would just pick up another grill locally rather than having to, pay to have that other one shipped or, put in a shipping container and brought over with all our other stuff. So anyway, needless to say, I found this in the neighborhood for free. We were driving around the neighborhood just after we started moving in the house, and I was thinking to myself, I've got to go get a grill. And then I realized, oh my gosh, grills start at $1,000, at least out here, because supply and demand, I don't know. So for $1,000, I could have picked up a brand new grill. But instead, I found someone else who probably spent $1,000 to buy a new grill and had this one out for free. And so I quickly looked at it, and it has a few little issues, but in itself, it works quite well. Well, we've had it now for 3 years, and some of those previous issues that I knew about, started to raise its ugly head. One of them were the burners were kind of old and getting kind of brittle. And the grills, the grates, which these are replacements for, they too were kind of brittle and kind of getting kind of old. So, but anyway, I've been using it for a while and been working fine. Finally, the burners powderized. They really did. It got a little extra hot in here one day because we had a pretty good fire going, and the burners just turned to dust. And so I purchased some burners, and I'm going to show you all this in just a minute. But before I do that, take a look at this. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. Yeah, it's amazing what you can get at Amazon these days. I'm telling you. And for $3,200 a share, have you noticed? It's meteoric rise. There's one thing about meteors, though. They plummet. So always keep that in mind. All right, anyway, so let's get this guy open here. I guess my biggest concern is, will it actually fit in my grill? These were supposed to fit. This is a Nexus. Nexus? Yeah, Nexus, I think is what it's called. Grill. I don't know anything about it except it's from Home Depot. That's what I found out. Yeah, so we got the cast iron grills that are supposed to fit. It's been a rough morning, folks. I don't know how to handle this. Let's open this up. Take a look at this inside of here. Let's swing this over. Do you want a close-up? Okay, here's the inside of the grill. And let's get one of these grates out of here. See what's happening to these grates? They're, I don't know, They're stainless steel. They're supposed to be, very durable. And I don't know how old this thing is. I think the date on here was 4 years old, showing to be about 4 years old. Anyway, all that stainless steel, just because of a lot of heat, is starting to flake off the core of this thing. So I'm going to take this and basically, that's right, chuck it out there. I've had it with that. And then these are replacement, what do you call them? Fire guards. Yeah, they're starting to toast up too. But there are the new burners that I put in, and they're working quite well. Had you seen the previous ones, they were all these holes that are on the sides were all cracked between the perforations, and it's just like one big fire was coming out of there instead of little fires. So I replaced those. There's 4 of them in here, and today I'm going to take the rest of these grills out, and then I'm gonna take a look at the. Well, there's food on here. I haven't scraped off the junk, but you can see. Take a look at the condition. Stainless steel. I don't know, guys, and this here especially. Look at how that is kind of flaking off. Look at that. That can't be good. Can't be good. All right, we're gonna get rid of this as well. I'm gonna get rid of that one. I just kind of like doing this. Yeah. We'll throw all that away. All right. And let's take our current grill. Let me put the camera on the tripod. Finally got the thing recording. Some of you guys may think that the life of a guy who does YouTube is glamorous and fun. Think again. Anyway, I'm going to scrub some of this off. Usually clean this, obviously, before I grill something, but it's kind of a mess. All right, so these were supposed to fit kind of like this. Oh, look. Oh, my gosh. Okay, get rid of that. Here's the other grate. Oh, look at this. I am happy. Take it out of the box. Here's the other one. Here's the proof. Will it all go in? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Okay, there's a little bit of slop, but I'm telling you, this is going to be good. Cast iron. I like cast iron because, well, you won't have all that stainless steel flaking off after a period of time. You can season this. I usually just take some onion and some olive oil and put olive oil on the onion and just kind of spread it on here when the thing is hot, and it helps season it right away. And the gaps are quite a bit closer than on that stainless steel grill, which means fewer chunks of meat and whatever falling through, or sausage falling through, or something like that. And then a little more even heat. So those heat deflectors are less of an issue. I guess the heat deflector is there so that oil doesn't get right on the burner and then end up flaring up. But even more even heat. Oh, I'm kind of liking this. All right. Give me a minute, would you?
Let's all go to the lobby to get ourselves a treat.
Okay, I just wanted to back the camera up a little bit so you can see me get this thing fired up, literally. Open up the tank. Okay, one of the problems when I first got this grill was the automatic, you push on it and it's supposed to ignite, that automatic feature. It's failed, and so I never bought a module for it. I'll show you what I do. I just take a fire starter of sorts, and I just realized you start videotaping, and every flippin' dog in the neighborhood just starts to bark. And they're not even close by. I mean, these are can you hear it? Listen. Just because I said listen, he stopped. Oh, there he goes. So every time I talk, he decides to bark. It's driving me crazy, guys. This is a challenging day. Keep me in your prayers, would you? If you're the praying kind. I pray for you guys. So, back on track. The grates being kind of close together like this do cause a problem. I don't know if I can fit this nozzle into there. So I go like that. Okay, so anyway, I'll turn the fire on. I can hear the gas going. I'll shove that in there. There you go. Ooh, nice. Let's get this one on. Yeah, this is going to be an issue. Oh, started. Just let it go for a while. There you go. I've got another challenge here, folks. Gonna have to figure out a way. Oh, no, it just started on its own because there was enough gas filled up inside of there. That's not very good. Let me take the camera off the tripod again, and hopefully it won't screw up. You see the fire down in there? It's working. I love a nice even fire. Look at that. Okay, well, here we go. So it might be high time that I get that new module for the electronic ignition to get started, because yeah, getting this thing down in there is a little bit of a challenge. But we're talking about, you know, these grills cost me, or grates cost me, I don't know. The new burners cost me, for all 4 burners, was about $25 for all 4. So roughly, you do the math. 30 plus 25 is yeah, it's a challenge. $55. I got a grill that is working really, really well. It's cooling down, but man, talk about even heat. I love cast iron. That's a good one. And the burners, you know, create even heat throughout all of that. The only problem will be is, and there's an airplane coming in. That is a problem living near an airport. We're in the flight path of just about everything, including C-130 Hercules from Fort Hood, which is, anyway, not far from here either. So my point is, if you guys have any ideas of what I can do to, maybe I just need to get a new one of these, a new module for the electronic ignition, that's another option. How would you make an opening big enough so that I can get a fire into there? Would you use a grinding wheel? Would you use a cutoff wheel? I mean, it's cast iron. I don't want it to crack and break. But for $55, you know, I got a brand new grate, grill, except for now I got this issue. So what would you do? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I also want to know how you guys are doing overall. You know, the whole craziness that goes on in our world right now. Sometimes you just need to talk to somebody. Feel free. Leave me a message. Let me know. You can get a hold of me at shootingguy.com/contact-us. You know, go to the contact page and leave a private message there if you want, or just shootingguy@gmail.com. theshootingguy@gmail.com. I'll put a thing down here somewhere. Email me. How you doing? Really want to know. Or just the comments. Let me know. If I don't hear from you, I'm going to assume you're either real good or dead. Oh, I just saw something. A little peach just fell off the tree. It's got a brown spot on it. Doggone it. I'm gonna eat it right now. Let's see how good it is. My little piece. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. It tastes like a peach. So I've got a half a dozen or so on that little peach tree. I'm gonna take it off. Boy, this is a pretty random video, huh? Not really focused on anything. I'm trying to do this. Chickens bother me, the dog bother me, the airplane bother me. Got a peach. Maybe that's what this whole craziness is doing to all of us. It's making us go nuts. So, if you're going nuts, let me know, okay? Fortunately, I did not find a half a worm in here. There are a couple of wormholes. I think, yeah, the worms got a hold of this. The chickens were out, and yeah, let's get that off. The chickens were out, and I think they were futzing around by the tree. And throw that over there with all the grates that are over there. And knocked it off, because it wasn't off a minute ago. It's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go. Get a hold of me. Let me know how you're doing. I'll put links below for these grates. I gotta go. God bless you. God bless America. May America bless God. See you soon. I gotta go throw all this away.